The UAE's foreign minister expressed his condolences to all the victims of the Israel and Palestine conflict. Now, in a statement, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, expressed the UAE's concern over the escalating Israel-Palestine tension and offered condolences to all victims of the violence. Now, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah, the UAE's foreign minister, conveyed that the UAE is alarmed by the escalating spiral of violence in Israel and Palestine, and we express our condolences to all the victims of the recent fighting and join others in calling for an immediate cessation of the violence and hostilities. He further added the events of the past week have been a somber reminder of the urgent need of peaceful dialogue and reconciliation. We reflect on the promise that the Abraham Accords hold for the current future generations to live with their neighbors in peace, dignity, and prosperity. Sheikh Abdullah concluded by saying it is the true mark of leadership in this moment of crisis to refrain from provocations and reprisals and instead to work towards a de escalation of tensions. And Casey, like just the other day, I read something on social media. It was just a very generic post on the common man. uh, the common man just wants to live an honest life, earn an honest living, just want shelter, food. They don't have space and the time for, war or worrying about religion or politics. They just want to live their life. So this really affects the common man. Like, it doesn't affect those who are rich and who can get away with it. It's the common people that are getting affected with all these conflicts going on from all the sides everywhere around the world. So it's just so heartbreaking to see what people have to suffer as a result of just political propaganda and
100%.
religion and all of that.
100%. I think we're seeing when you see a death toll rise, it's horrific. When you see children involved in that death
Yeah.
toll who are trying to just live a life with electricity, water, it's really hard. It's really shocking, and we're seeing hundreds and hundreds of support, message of support on social media, and that's just to kind of gain awareness for the cause. But I think just knowing that UAE officials are getting involved along with American, Egyptian, all for the purpose of de-escalating the tension in the region. I think that's kind of what everyone wants to see right now, because it's been ongoing for obviously years and years and years, 7 years of violence in a nutshell, and then getting worse in the last couple of days. Everyone's just hoping for the violence to end because we can't see the death toll rise any further. It's too sad.
Definitely.